Welcome to Automation Arena, and today I will be showing you how to automate your Trello activity using n8n. Also, I will quickly be showing you how you can create your Trello workspace, create your board and list, and also how to get your Trello API keys and tokens in order to integrate it with other platforms. So let's get started. So looking at what I have on my screen, you can see I have an automation workflow where I'm trying to get a data from a Google Sheet and then making it in the form that anybody that registered should be notifying our sales management team. And from there, I want to be updating a Trello card for my new list. So example of what I'm saying is something like this. I see as it is on this screen. So when we have a new list, once I notify the sales rep, it is going to show up here as a new lead which is being registered. So this is what we are creating together today. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to connect your Trello board. But before you do that, you should create the Trello board, make it ready for usage. So to create a Trello board, go to trello.com as you can see on the screen, and after that you come and create. If you want to create a new workspace for whatever you want to do, you can click like this and then come to create workspace. But I'm going to be using this current workspace. Then you come to create and you name it, you give it a name. Okay, let me give this tutorial n8n. So the create workspace, and I'm going to create. Okay, let me use this background. I like a simple color, so let me use this background. Okay, so our board is being created. As you can see, this everything on the entire screen is called a board. Everything on the screen is called a board. And now we have a list. We have lists. Okay, so we want to do new leads as it is meant for a sales attendant. So we have this new list. We have in progress. This is a lead they are currently working on. And after that, we have acquired a lead that has already purchased our product. So if you are seeing this, we have three lists on this board. We have three lists on this board. So that is what it basically means. Now, once you created it this way, then you want to connect your Trello to n8n, and you want to connect it to this workflow. So you have two ways which you can do that. Two ways. The first one is you come here and click on create a card. You click on create a card, and after that you want to add a new credential. You click on create new credential. Or if you want to take another route, you come here. Once you get to your workspace, then you come here, and because you can see these are the list of credentials I have. You can see I already have a Trello account connected. I want to connect new one for this tutorial. So you click on create credential and you type the name. So this is the second method, API connected. So you can see Trello API, then you click on continue. It's going to take you to the same screen as we have before. So let's go back to here. Then we have, so the two things you need to connect your Trello board are API key and API token. So how do you get this? Right. So to get this, you go to a website which is a subdomain to trello.com, and you can see trello.com/powerups/admin. So you go there after you've logged in into your Trello account, then you click on new. So this is basically you trying to, so you can see n8n tutorial, as I'm currently doing a tutorial. So then you go to the workspace you've created, the workspace where you have the board which you want to connect. So let me connect my Gmail. This is gmail.com. So and the author, let me use my name, Awal Hassan. So I'll be using my name as the author name. Then you click create. Once that is done, you are going to see this screen as the next screen. You can see the name here, n8n tutorial. So that means we are in this new API we've generated. Now you click on generate a new API key, and you generate API key. So as you can see on the screen, this are the new details for the new API key you are trying to create. And in our n8n, we have, so we need our API key and API token. So come to the power up and you copy your API key. Note that is the key, don't make a mistake. So you come and paste it. This is the key. Then how do you get the token? So you come and click here, a token, so generate a token. You click on that, then you want to allow this, click on allow. So you have to copy this, just double click, and this is the token we need. Then you paste the token here, paste it here, and then you click on save. So you can see it is successfully created. So you can give it a new name. Let me say n8n tutorial, as I just did that now. n8n tutorial, and that is saved. Let me save it. We want to connect lists. We want to connect our list, which we just created. So okay, now we need the list ID. So how do you get your list ID? This is, you are going to be getting this from the board you created. This board, come here and you click on this. So okay, go to here and you want to export this as JSON. So I've downloaded it. Then you click on this and you open it. Try and open it with Firefox for easy accessibility. And this is where you are going to get the data to this board. So we can see this ID is for the board itself, the main board. But what we need right now is the list ID, the list itself. Okay, so here is the ID which we need, and you can see this is the new lead, because we want our new cards. The new cards we want to automate into Trello. We want them to be under this list, this new lead. Then you have to come and copy this. You copy this new lead, you copy the ID, as that is what we will need for our n8n. So then you go back, go into your n8n, and you come here, then you paste the lead ID. So we've pasted that. Now the new card you want to create, what name do you want it to have? So so you want to execute your workflow before, because we need to map some data from the Trello board. So you execute for all the data to be readily here. Then you connect this to your Trello and you open it again. So we have all the data here which we can be mapping from. So let's say the new card is so we want to say lead, a lead, but we want it to has a unique identity. So you can just come and select from the lead's name. So you can pick its name, lead, this is his first name, the first name, and let's add the last name, so which means whenever the card is being created, it is going to say lead so name. Like here now we have the first two and last two. It's going to be lead first two and last two. So if I am the one, it will be lead Lawal Hassan. So that is how you are going to see it. So the description is what is going to show up when they click on the lead's name. So you can say the details, we can bring in the details into here, like saying name, the name of the lead, as we have it here. Let me copy this and paste it. So the name of the lead, put it here, put the name. After that you can say email of the lead, email. All right, so once this is done, you want to execute the step. So let me show you again. You can see this Trello board is empty. It is empty, but what we are doing now is we are sending the data from n8n into this new leads feed. We are sending everything into this list. Now let's run it. Click on execute step from here. After you've set up everything like this, so this is the lead, the card name, and this is the details that is going to show up when they click on the card. Now let's send this. We are sending 5 items. You are sending 5 items. So it is waiting, loading for. Alright, so we can see node executed successfully. Everything is being sent. Let us go and check whether it's actually worked in our Trello, whether everything has been sent into our Trello. Here is the Trello, and you can see all the new cards we created, which we sent, are now here. So from this automation, if anybody should sign up, if anybody should fill up the form we set for this Google Sheet trigger, that means their details automatically enter this flow and continue, send the message to the sales rep, and also update the Trello card for them in their Trello for the sales rep to see. And if you click on it, you can see these are the details we set up in the n8n board. So thank you for this. And in the Telegram, you can also see we sent a message to the sales rep to go and check the Trello new lead that was registered. So anytime a new lead has been registered, is going to be received a message in his DM telling him to go and check the Trello board. Right. So thank you. I believe this helped you to solve your Trello issue. Bye.